Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, today we are discussing how we can use subconscious mind to be a global successful chartered accountant. Now, before I speak about subconscious mind, I would like to first deliberate on our human body, which is about 78 organs. And out of 78, the five most important is, which comes on number one, is brain. Then we have a heart. Third is kidney and lungs and liver. So brain is hardware and mind is software. Now, what is mind? Mind is, it's an element that enables us to think and enables us to have the experience. So it is a faculty of consciousness and thought. Now, mind again we can divide into two parts: conscious mind and subconscious mind. Conscious mind is 10% and subconscious mind is 90%. Our thoughts are controlled by subconscious mind, and subconscious mind believes, whatever we tell to subconscious mind. I'm talking to you just now consciously, but subconsciously I have fed that this is my best video to my fraternity chartered accountant colleagues. Now, how we can make subconscious mind to work? The first is the permission. Anything which happens is with the permission. The second is we surround subconscious mind only with positive thoughts. Whatever we want in our life, we want, say 100 clients to be added every month. So we feel that, each person who is visiting my office is getting converted into a client, a prospect. Or if I want to specialize in a particular area, say the bank audits or an insolvency practice. So that is the positive people who says, yes, you will get it. Third is you say that in the present tense, I'm having 100 new clients every month rather than I will have. Then the gratitude to the universe, gratitude to the team members, gratitude to the existing clients, gratitude to the family, whoever, gratitude. In fact, in Vedant, what we call non-living things are also created by universe, and there is a life in that, and therefore they have been created. So gratitude to them also. And the most important fifth is a vision. And so whatever we want to achieve in our life, say one chartered accountant, suppose I want to have 1,000 crore by 31st March 2022. Then I will have that vision. Then it is a willingness to work in that area. And next is asking to the universe, asking that, and this is not a superstition when we ask to the universe. Universe has such supreme power. It is like Aladdin ka chirag. Whatever we ask, universe gives. This is my personal experience of my life. So when I became a chartered accountant, I asked universe that in a good bookshop, only my books are there. In every book, there is a CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia is written. And today it has happened. And then next is the wonders of sleep, good rest, good health, the physics. So subconscious mind in all our areas of health, areas of happiness, areas of relationship, areas of that we have a least turnout in our office, areas of personal goal. Say if I am in a job and want to become a CEO, then I can, by utilizing subconscious mind, which is a starting point, then I will be enhancing my skill for that particular achievement. So this technology, the use of subconscious mind, is a very, very powerful technology. And it is like, there is another theory, transactional analysis, like how movies are made. The films are made first, the script writer writes the script, make the changes, and then the producer selects a director and the actors, and actor acts in the film as per the script written. We should write our own life script. We should write a climax that when my funeral will go, 1 crore people will be there, and the newspapers next day, the all electronic media will cover that what Rajkumar Adukia contributed to the society, to the world, and to the fraternity, chartered accountant students. So I myself is a writer of the script. I myself is the actor in the script. I myself is the director in the script, and I myself sees the climax and the progress of the movie playing. So friends, the subconscious mind is a very wonderful software, and each one, there are certain things which happens on their own. Like, we take birth in our mother's womb. We grow on our own, our legs, our hands, our body grows. We don't put any effort in growing those things. But the mind is a software where unless we take action, it will not get developed. So here God has said, I have given you a powerful brain. I have given you a very powerful software, a powerful app called mind. But that app you have to open, you have to start, you have to use all functions of the app. Then you will get the results what you want. You are part of me, and you can do miracle. This is the message of the universe, when we take a birth on this planet. And it keeps on telling us, but sometimes we do not listen what is this message. And those people, the all geniuses, they use only 2% of their mind. If they have been using, say, 100% of the mind, they would have been, created the most miraculous world. So my request to each one of you is that please start using subconscious mind from this moment. Start having only positive thoughts, because on an average we get 70,000 thoughts per day in 24 hours. So friends, enjoy the life. Do let me know on what topic you need a video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, because every day I put a video on a subject of our interest of chartered accountant. Thank you.